What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Yubit. Most exchanges are boring, let's admit it. You log in, trade, withdraw, repeat. Yubit is doing something completely different now, guys, and honestly, I think it's worth your attention in today's video. This exchange has been around since 2020, and back then it was called SafeX. 5 years later, it's had a full rebrand and a completely new product suite, and it's quietly becoming one of the most feature-packed exchanges out there, and that's why I've moved my trading over to Yubit. Spot trading, futures, copy trading, no KYC, a crypto debit card, TradFi assets with zero fees, and proof of reserves published publicly so you can verify your funds are actually there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full platform, explain all the benefits, what it does, how it works, and whether it's actually worth you switching over to Yubit exactly like I did. So, as always guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you out there watching. To give back, I'm giving away $100 every single Monday, so go ahead and drop your comments down below and slap that like button if you do enjoy my content. As always guys, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and if you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with any of my content or links. Let's get into the video because this is an exciting one. I want to talk about Yubit, guys. This is an exchange, as you know, if you are a viewer of the channel, you'll know I've been using for the past few months now, and I've always had them on the horizon, and I recently switched all my trading over to Yubit. So it warrants a video. I want to talk about it. I want to do a full exchange deep dive, and hopefully you can understand a little bit more about the platform. So as I said in the intro, it's been around for a long while. It's had a rebrand and they're constantly adding new things. I've been talking with some of the people at Yubit, and the things they've got coming in the next few months are absolutely unbelievable. First of all, we can see up here, we got quick buy, markets, futures, spot, earn, TradFi rewards, Yubit card, tap trading, and more. A couple of key features here, guys, is TradFi, traditional finance trading. It bridges kind of a traditional world and crypto world completely together. So you can trade things on TradFi without any KYC, which is absolutely ridiculous. We can see right here, guys, also, if we scroll down on this home page right here, we can see your assets are fully protected, top certifications, protection fund, and transparent reserves, fully backed one-to-one with monthly proof of reserve audits, 20,000 ETH protection fund, your safety is our priority, and of course here, top certifications. And we can see right here why trade on Yubit. You may have an exchange already, you may be happy trading on that exchange. Well, there can be a number of benefits, guys, to trading on multiple exchanges. Of course, here we've got multiple levels of security, multi-asset trading, great customer support, and very easy onboarding. Guys, Yubit has no KYC. Many countries now are requiring KYC. Of course, I don't recommend, if you are in that said country, that you use Yubit. However, free will, you can do what you like. So if you go down below today's video, guys, you will in fact see a link for Yubit, and as of right now of filming this, you're going to get instant VIP2 status on the exchange, which is giving you 25% discount on fees. Normally this status, you need to deposit a lot of money on the exchanges to get this, but as you are a CryptoJack viewer, I'm giving you this, guys. I've negotiated with them, and also if you deposit $100 and meet the trade requirements, you're going to get $100 to trade with as well. So there's a link down below this video. The first course of action is to in fact sign up, make your account, and once you have in fact signed up, come back over to the exchange and you're going to want to deposit. Super easy. Just go over here, click deposit, and then it will bring you to this exact screen right here. And again, you can deposit exactly what you want, USDT, Bitcoin, whatever it may be, and then you can go over to your wallet section right here and you can see your balance in your wallet. Now I have quite a large balance on this account. It is my primary trading account on Yubit. As I said, I moved everything over to Yubit, and that's what I'm trading on. We can see here in this section right here, we've got funding account. That's usually where you fund your account from, hence funding account. So you can fund your futures account with your funding, fund your TradFi or spot account with your funding account. And usually when you make a deposit, the money will come into this funding account. To simply move it into another account, for example, futures, spot, TradFi, earn, tap trading, wherever it is. Simply click on transfer right there. We can see transfer from funding to futures, for example, or you could select TradFi, for example, and then just type in the amount. I'll do $1 right there, and then you can see it's removed $1 there and it's added $1 there. A little bit like putting a drop of water in the ocean with $1, but hey, it's definitely a start. All right, guys, so I do want to in fact talk about the reward section, because once you've made your deposit, head over to the reward section, because you will in fact be able to claim your rewards which you have in fact earned. So we can see down here all the different rewards which are available, and again, my tasks have expired. I've been trading on the exchange for a while, so I am in fact not eligible. However, you are a new user, you definitely will be eligible. So we can see down here $50, $50, 100, 200, 600, up to $10,000 right there. And all you have to do is go ahead and follow these requirements. For example, $50 right there, deposit $100 and get the volume. We can see right there your volume right there. All you have to do is meet these requirements, and again, you can see if you are in fact hitting them right there, and you will in fact be able to go ahead and claim these rewards right there. So a really interesting part, the rewards hub. Once you've made your deposit, head over to the rewards hub right there and see if you are eligible for any different things. And again, featured activities right now, we can see Bitcoin Pizza Day celebration went up to $2,000 and Future Boost Quest. All the different things are in fact taking place over in the rewards section. So let's take a look at the first features which I want to do. Once you've in fact secured your deposit, then you want to go ahead and understand what you want to do. Okay, first of all, do you want to go ahead and buy something on spot? For example, you want to buy Bitcoin spot and hold it. If you want to hold it on the exchange, not usually recommended. Usually you would transfer it out. You can go ahead and do so. You can see here, guys, on the left side, we've got a massive array of different cryptos you can go ahead and trade on spot. And spot trading is basically buying the crypto one-to-one. So if you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you're going to get $100 worth of Bitcoin, and you trade with that amount. Usually people will in fact do this if they want to be a little bit safer, a little bit not risk-free, but less risk, I guess you could say. And also if they just wanted to buy something, for example, if they want to buy Chainlink right here, you would go on spot, buy it, and then probably withdraw it to your cold wallet, a ledger, or something like that. That's usually what people are doing. So again, this is in fact spot. If you want to go ahead and buy it, if you're a beginner, I would recommend just doing market order. You're going to have a lot easier time doing this because it just buys the price, for example, Bitcoin at the current price levels, and it's going to just buy it at the market price. Super simple. A limit order is if you set the amount you want to buy. For example, let's say Bitcoin is here at 77,000 and you want to wait for it to come to $76,150. You would just simply type in 76,150 and select the amount that you want to buy right there. I don't have any funds in my spot account right now. You can go ahead and transfer if you wanted to. And again, you would just click go ahead and click buy. The same thing if you deposited Bitcoin to the exchange and you wanted to sell it with a market limit, you could go ahead and put $150,000 you want to sell your Bitcoin at. Simply select the amount you want to sell. For example, it would be in the amount right here, and then you would go ahead and select sell. Super easy. But if you're just buying Bitcoin, use market. On the right hand side, we've got the order book, the buys and the sells, and here we've got the last trades right there. Super simple, super easy to do. I am more interested in the futures section though, because over here on the futures section, this is where we hopefully are going to make some beautiful trades. And you can see right now, guys, at the bottom section, I actually have some trades already open. We can see here, guys, I have in fact got a silver trade open, which is in $1,500 in profit, and a gold trade open right there, which is currently in around $400 of profit. This is amazing because you can use an exchange like Yubit to trade silver or gold or many other different things. If you click on this at the top section right there, you can see the metals section. We can see XAG, which is in fact silver. We can see right here gold. We can see Pax Gold as well. We can see palladium, and copper right there. So these are in fact available to trade with leverage, which is absolutely beautiful. Also at the top here, we can see stocks as well. You can trade, for example, MicroStrategy, Tesla, loads of different stocks right here. You're in fact able to trade right there in one crypto platform. Super easy. You don't need to sign up for a brokerage. It makes life a lot easier without KYC. And of course, this is the main trading section right here, guys, which I will be breaking down. Again, make sure you have balance in your account. This is the futures account, as I said previously. And then we can see here there is a main trading view chart where you can change the time frame right there. exactly like so. On the left hand side, this is where you will find your tools if you wanted to go ahead and draw some lines, or use this section to circle a significant point of interest right there. And also on this side right here, you can go ahead and change the candlesticks, but usually I would leave it as it is. And of course right here, you can go ahead and search indicators. For example, you can search the RSI. If you did want a more in-depth detail about what indicators to use on Yubit or on TradingView, definitely comment down below. I'll be happy to provide that for you. And again, on the right side, a little bit like the spot exchange, we've got the order book right there. And if you want to tab to recent trades, you can see that as well. Up here, we've got the funding rate, again, positive or negative, the turnover, and of course the changes 24-hour high and low. So what you probably want to know is, how can I enter a trade? First of all, you want to go over here to open, and this section gets people a little bit confused. We can see right here, isolated split. You go ahead and click on that, and basically cross margin mode right here, it takes money from different positions which you have and your balance to go ahead and help you if you are in fact going to go ahead and get liquidated. So usually I don't in fact use cross. I like isolated a lot more because it does what it says on the tin. It isolates the trade to only this trade. I don't want one trade being affected by another trade I've made. I just simply want isolated. And we can see right here the same thing for merge and split. Split, in fact, means you can open different positions in the same direction, long or short, multiple different times, and merge does in fact merge them as it says on the tin, sorry. So I usually have isolated and split. Personally, we can see right here on these trades as well. Usually in the future, if you see me open any trades, it will be isolated and split. And again, I just use market. There are slightly higher fees on market, but honestly, if you're trading, I usually just use market. It's a lot easier to enter, unless you are waiting for a set entry point, or you're setting limit orders and waiting for the price to come down to those limit orders before going ahead and having them executed. On the right hand side here, we've got leverage. Again, if you are a beginner, I recommend using very low leverage, as it's inherently risky and you can lose all your money trading with leverage. It's very dangerous if you're a beginner. So honestly, stick to 2 to 3x. Maybe if you've been trading for a little bit, up to 10x maybe. Usually on average, I will use 10x. We can see right here, isolated split 10x. But again, if you're in a quick trade, maybe you're trading a breakdown or a breakout, you can use a little bit more leverage at your own risk. So again, right here, we can see the section right here, your available balance. If you want to transfer, you can simply click that area there to transfer right in this section. You don't have to go to your wallet section. And again, you can use the slider here to use the amount of quantity of your balance you want to go ahead and use, and change this to Bitcoin, USDT, or margin. You would simply then, if I click this right here, click open long, this section here will pop up right there, and we can see I've used $79,000 of margin on 10x, so it equates to just under 800,000 US dollars. It tells you your fee right there, and again, your position size, your opening price, your liquidation price, and your margin ratio. It also confirms everything right here. And again, once you've opened your trade, like you can see right here, you can go ahead and edit it. For example, you can add margin to your position right there on this section, position margin. You can add position, you can set your stop loss, your partial stop loss, your trailing stop loss. And again, all these things, if you do want a more in-depth breakdown, I can do that. You can see the opening time right there, and also the ADL, and close your position. You just click market right there. That will market close it or limit close it if you wanted to go ahead and limit close it. Down here, we've got the cost right there and the maximum. And again, we can see the VIP limit right there. I've got VIP 8 simply because I've got a large deposit in my account. As I said previously in the video, if you go down below, you can in fact get a VIP 2 status account immediately, which is amazing. So I would really recommend using that. And down here, we just have information about the margin and the balance as well. So that's really, really good, guys. I enjoy using that in the futures section. I predominantly trade futures because you can use leverage and it helps you to grow your account, in my opinion, if you are using the correct risk. I want to briefly touch on the Yubit card. Again, you can go ahead and apply for the Yubit card right there. Google and Apple Pay, you're going to get a physical and a virtual card right there, and global payments, and all the FAQs are down there as well. They do have a section here called tap trading, which is pretty new, and currently as of right now it's only in demo trading mode, but this will be releasing. So again, you can see right here all the trades which I've done right here on the right hand side. Again, I've just been playing around with it a little bit. I'm not really too used to this kind of thing. However, I am getting into it more and it's pretty interesting. A little bit of gamification of trading, guys. And again, you get an account right there with 100. You can simply click this section here to increase your account. And again, it's just demo funds on this section because it's not actually released, but you can go ahead and click this, for example, right there, or for example, this right there. And if it will stay in this range, you can see if we just wait a few seconds, 5-10 seconds, hopefully we will win 0.5 cent if it does stay in that range. It will be nice. We'll win 0.5 cent exactly like that. And you can see right there, it's an easy way to go ahead and gamify trading a little bit. Of course, it is inherently risky. And again, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch, engage with my content, or use any of these features. So that is the tap trading section right there. And again, overall, guys, I think Yubit is a really great exchange. I will be sharing more of my trades on Yubit. You can go ahead and join my community down below if you do want to get access to that. And again, Yubit, I'm trading on Yubit primarily now. I've moved all my trading funds over here and I will be going ahead and trading on Yubit. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have in fact enjoyed this tutorial. And of course, the link is down below if you want to get yourself a Yubit account. I'll catch you in the next one.